Right now, Kaspa coin is getting a bounce, and I think this coin can quickly 2x before it 10, 20, or maybe even 30x's. Bitcoin has been trading in a range for about 230 days and officially has had a weekly candle close in a bullish way to the upside out of a pattern we've been stuck in for the longest time. And people are waiting for this parabolic bull market rally to begin, and Kaspa coin has been a very strong performer in this bull market so far, outperforming Solana, outperforming Ethereum, outperforming Bitcoin, outperforming a variety of large cap altcoins out there. And I think, again, this thing can quickly 2x before it 10x's or more. And I want to talk a little bit about it in this video. So welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and let's get in and look at the biggest movers today. First up, Fear and Greed Index is at 57, which tells us still a buying opportunity, relatively speaking. Knowing we're post-halving, knowing that we're in a presidential election year, knowing that the total market cap for crypto has not taken a new high yet, there's a ton of upside, hypothetically, for these crypto markets with all the institutional interest that we've seen from BlackRock and a variety of firms from across the globe. Kaspa coin right now is the fourth largest moving token in the top 100 at 4.45% gains today, ranked number 28 in all of crypto, which is substantial. A couple things to note about Kaspa really quick that I don't always say on the channel is, first off, most of the supply is in circulation. There are still a couple billion tokens, 3 billion out of the 28 or so billion available ever, which is pretty good, better than a lot of tokens. Not total supply out yet, so that is something to keep in mind, just to keep in mind. Not saying that's bullish or bearish. Always better when the full circulating supply is out, but this does not change my bullish perspective on Kaspa coin. One thing that I do want to put out there for you guys to understand is that Kaspa, even though it's ranked number 28, it's still not listed on Binance. It's still not listed on crypto.com from the look of it. It's still not listed on several major exchanges. So Kaspa still has major exchange listings ahead of it. What do you think that is going to do to the price eventually? I think that it's going to send it up. Not only that, historically speaking, the fall is historically very bullish for Bitcoin and crypto, especially in a bull market year, which we're in. October shows 21% gains. November shows 46% gains on average. And December even shows 5% gains on average. We're only at 5% over the month. Bitcoin has recently broken out through this blue range that I've had, trading from, 72,000 all the way down to 59 back in March. And it's kind of just been descending slowly over time, having lower highs. And we have not had a higher high yet, okay? But we are finally above this kind of blue range. And specifically on the weekly candle, you can see it a lot better. This bodied candle has closed above the blue range, and the bodied weekly candle of this last weekly candle that closed for Bitcoin is actually above the previous all-time highs, which is great. So that should mean that Bitcoin wants to go up. If Bitcoin goes up, total market cap goes up. Now let's look at Kaspa specifically, which is a top moving token today. Why is Kaspa a top moving token today? Well, it's still got some exchange listings ahead of it. That's one. Two, it's been one of the strongest performers in the bull market so far in terms of a top market cap altcoin play. This has been a big one. And another reason is because Bitcoin's going up. But the key for Kaspa today is it's in its range of its own. You see Bitcoin's range has kind of been down and to the right. Well, Kaspa's kind of been doing the same thing, but up and to the right slowly here over time. And we've been stuck really in this range since November 2023. And of course, it's gone up and come back down, gone up and come back down. And now I think we're due. We've hit the bottom of this range. I think we're coming back up. And so when I say a quick 2x before a 10x or 20x, well, from the bottom of this range to the top of this range, boom, that's a 2x. That's 100% gain. That's coming. I think that this is a really decent long trade right now. If you guys are interested in trading cryptos for yourself, leverage trading, you can sign up for Blowfin using our link. I've pinned it in the comment section for you. It's in the description down below. You can trade Kaspa on Blowfin. It's super easy to use. I'm really bullish on crypto, but I'm specifically bullish on Kaspa right now. I think that it's going back up to the top of this range. Of course, if you miss the bottom, you miss the bottom. So not a 100% gain from here, but still, an 80, 75, 80% gain to the top of this range again. When we get to the top of this range, is it going to break out into true price discovery mode and keep exploding upward? Well, it could. It really could, but it ain't going to do it until we see this total market cap blast off. And in order for that to happen, you need Bitcoin to make a decisive breakout to new highs as well. So how high can Kaspa go? I have some people asking me this in my live stream earlier today. The truth is, guys, I don't know the exact answer, but, can Kaspa go up to, $5? Some people ask. That is a 35x from here. Can Kaspa do that? Well, you got to look over at CoinMarketCap, and you got to look over at the market cap for the coin. And so you're asking, essentially, at that point, with a $3.8 billion market cap today, or let's call it a $3 billion market cap today, can it 35x? Can it go to $5? I mean, that would bring us basically to a $100 billion market cap for Kaspa. And I'm going to say that, yeah, I do think that that's achievable, because what I do believe is that the total market cap for crypto is going to go from $3 trillion, which is our previous high, into a new all-time high, which could be upwards of $4 trillion. It could be upwards of $5 trillion. It could be $7 to $10 trillion. Let's just say it's $7 trillion. Well, then $4 trillion is going to flow into crypto, which is hundreds of billions of dollars worth of money. And when you have a coin that's at a $3 billion market cap, that leaves you with a potentially ton of upside. Now, if Kaspa is a very successful network and it's as popular as Solana, well, Solana is currently, at the time of this recording, sitting at a $79 billion market cap. Solana's previous all-time high got all the way up to what did we get? We got to an $88 billion market cap. And in this bull market, Solana's probably going to go to, 200 billion to 500 billion, maybe all the way up to 800 billion. Honestly, I think that Solana could 10x from here. I think that could happen. 5x is definitely something I would expect to see out of Solana, but a 10x could be potentially achievable for Solana. So what's possible for a much lower market cap coin like Kaspa, which is up and coming? Possibly, $100 billion market cap, maybe a $200 billion market cap. If I expect Solana to go to a $300, $400, $500, $600 billion market cap, I think that Kaspa could have a ton of upside. Now, is it better than Solana? At this point, no, it's not. I mean, some people might like it better than Solana, but at this point, are people using it like they're using Solana? No. But could it potentially have a future like that? Only time will tell. And so in the meantime, there's a ton of speculation. There's potentially trillions of dollars going to be flowing into this space. Kaspa coin is one of the top moving tokens today. If you're looking for a trade right now, I think Kaspa is, and I've been talking to Black Sea about this, if there's one trade that I'm licking my chops at right now, it's this Kaspa trade. I think it's going to go back up to the top of this range. That is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to open up a long on Kaspa by any means whatsoever. I'm just telling you that I'm paying attention to crypto. I'm ready for a parabolic rally. It looks like Kaspa's undervalued. I also understand that the Fear and Greed Index is showing that there's buying opportunities, historically speaking. We're in a presidential election year, post-halving. Bitcoin should go up, total market cap should go up, and Kaspa should blast off. And I think it's a quick 2x to the previous top of the band. And then I think we can go a lot higher from that. Can we go to $5? I think $5 is achievable. $10 is tough, but maybe it's on the table. I don't know. I'll say $5. I think that one's possible. $2 to $5 is an achievable price target for Kaspa. I have a very similar price target, actually, for Crypto.com's Cronos coin as well, which is kind of funny, but, they're at a very similar market cap. Here you go. You've got Kaspa sitting at $3.3 billion. Cronos coin's currently, I think, at $3 billion as well. What do we got for that? Something around there. I think that a lower cap coin that's in the $1, $2, $3, $5 billion range has more upside than a $70 or $100 billion market cap coin, just because of simple money flows. How much money can flow into that asset? How many multiples is that on the total value of that asset? And that's the kind of math that I do. That's all I got on this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is a Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, DCA HODL. Do your own research, my friends. And as always, I will see you in the next one. I got 2 videos right here if you want to check them out. I'll see you next time, y'all. Peace.